Very good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy. Now, coming to the English work. Till now, we have learned capital letters and small letters. Now, let's start learning small cursive letters. Okay? Before that, we have to learn some strokes. Let's start. First, write down the date. Today's date is 20th of January 2021. Okay, after completion of capital letters and small letters, now we are going to write cursive letters. Yes, to write small cursive letters, we need to learn few strokes which help to make our cursive writing beautiful and easy also. Without practicing strokes, if we write cursive letters, we may feel little difficult. Okay, children? Children, do you remember for capital letters, we use it to start from the top red line or first line? Is it? Yes. And for small letters, for some letters we use it to start from the top red line, or for some letters use it to start from the second line, that is first black line. Yes? Yes, this is the second line. Now, for small cursive letters, for each and every stroke or letter should be started from the third line, that is second black line or third line. Always remember this, children. For small cursive letters or strokes, it should be started from third line. Okay? Parents, always remember this point to your kids. Okay? Now let's start writing some strokes. Okay? Children, for this you have to start from the third line. 1, 2 and 3. Third line. That is second black line or blue line. Okay? This is a over curve. First you have to start from the second black line and go up. Touch the top black line. First black line. And again come back on the same line and again give a curve. Okay? In this way you have to write. See here. For the first time you feel little difficult, but keep on practicing. You can do wonders. Start from the black line. Go up. Touch the first black line. And again come back. Touch the down black line and again go up. Touch the top black line, come back, touch the down line and again go up. Touch the top black line, come down and again go up, come down and touch the down black line. Okay? In this way you have to write this stroke. Remember, children, while writing these, you should not lift the pencil until and unless you complete the stroke. Okay? That is very important. Next. Again, start from the down black line, go up, touch the top black line and again come back and again go up and join in this way. Next. Start from the down black line, go up, touch the top black line and again come back, go up and turn back, give a small loop and again touch the down black line and again go up and turn back and again touch the top black line, come down and again go up and give a curve. In this way. I'll write it for you once again. Start from the second black line, go up, touch the top black line, and again come back, touch the down line in this way. Okay? Start from the black line, second black line, go up, touch the top black line, come back, touch the down black line, and again go up, and again come back, give a curve, and again go up, and again come back, touch the down black line, and again go up, come back, touch the down black line in this way. For this stroke, first start from the second black line, go up, come down, touch the down black line, go up and join here. Start from the black line, second black line, go up, give a curve and again come back, go up and again touch the top black line, come back, go up, touch the top black line, again come down, touch the down black line and give a small curve in this way. Okay children, these strokes helps you to write letter A, D, G, O and Q. Okay? Complete the full page. Okay? For the first time you feel little difficult, but you take your parents' help and complete the work. Very good morning children. Now coming to the maths work. Till now we have learnt writing numbers from 1 to 50. Yes? Okay. Now today we are going to learn the next numbers from 51 to 60. Okay? First write down the date. Today's date is 20th of January 2021. Write down the heading 51 to 60. Parents, give them arrows in this way. In this way, for the first time, you write it for your children and ask them to repeat 2 times. Now let's start. 51, 51. 52, 52. 53, 53. 54, 54. 55, 55. 56, 56. 57, 57. 58, 58. 59, 59. 60, 60. Okay children, in this way you have to write numbers from 51 to 60. Repeat 2 times. Okay children, write neatly. The number should not come out of the box. While writing, always read and write.
Fifty-one, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58.